XRP holders, it's happening right now. So XRP crypto markets have been doing good lately. So either unstaking Q hits 3.8. What does it mean for Bitcoin price? So yeah, Ether has now hit a lot of unstaking because people expect the prices to rise. But let's focus on XRP task at hand. So while Ethereum is growing, we're still waiting for XRP. XRP prices is we still are above $3, which is what people have been asking for. You know, that support level is still strong.
5 crosses over, it's not good. So at this particular moment in time, I can very clearly tell you what we're looking for. You can see a couple candles right there that kind of are holding there. You see it starting to define that and you can get rid of this one, defining that support right there. And as we came down, you can see the testing up here at the resistance, come down. Now we have a support. And it's
like Ethereum. The thing with XRP is it does not go below $3. If it goes below $3, it basically breaks another support. Bank of America and Wells Fargo is in again. What company doing business will stay with a bank charging more money to send overseas? The other banks will have to come on board or lose millions. That's the thing that XRP has the advantage. They save a lot of money to a lot of banks and especially big players, which is why they will most likely win in the end, because people will be forced to join them. If you had the option to save like $10 million or $20 million, if the product works, once they see that the other banks use it, this is where really, you're just forced to join and just save money that way.
Hitting it 4 days in a row and even drop down, push back up. The bulls are finding a line there that they want to push back up, but that 5's coming down. If we have a finishing candle lower than this support at 307.96, I do believe we are going down to the 50 EMA at that point, which would be about 294 at this particular moment in time. So that's kind of what I'm watching for when it comes to this. You can see as we go, if you just kind of look, just check this out, you can see it. Now, if we push back up above the 5 and the 13, we know that the major resistance is going to be right at 332. I've been telling you for weeks now that 332 needs to be broken and confirmed above.
I mean, every time we try to break out there, look at this. The candles are pretty obvious. Every time we try to go for XRP, 3.10 cents, $3.44. How can we reach $4 if we cannot break the first support level? This is the biggest issue I have right now with XRP. It is just, September and October. It's very common for that to happen, and I feel like it's still going to go sideways in those lines before it finally gets a breakout. Anything could happen in crypto, but 99% are waiting for the whales to pump it back to all-time highs, possibly $3.66, which is what most people have been waiting for. So this is the most important factor, is even though XRP is down today or tomorrow or next week, buying 3,000 more tomorrow, that's nice. But here look at this, 3.9 is still very, very good as long as it doesn't drop below $3. When I have money in the bank, that's awesome, Danny. So yeah, look at that. It does seem like it's gonna move from these patterns for some time. And I haven't seen it go below $3, like maybe 2.9, which was totally normal.
We are in that wait and see moment. And that's why I keep telling you Q4. Everybody's excited about now. I'm excited about Q4, and that's what I'm watching for. That's up to each person, but this is what I wanted to teach you today. I'll say it again. If you haven't gotten over there, get to the webinar today. We got the spots open. First link down.
So yeah, it seems like it's very, very straightforward. XRP is trading sideways because right now, usually historically, we have the October, and we're just waiting for more news.